Welcome to Linux Basics command tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to cover the Linux Basics command. Let's start with ls command. What ls command do? Ls command lists us the directories and folders present in our current directory. If we want to see the any other directory structure, like in any other directory present files and folders, then we have to give the path after typing ls command. Uh, if we want to see the data present in directory 1, then we have to type ls directory 1. By hitting tab, it will show us the complete path, or any other folder with similar name present, it will show us. By hitting tab, it will auto complete this path. Hitting enter, it will show us the files present in the directory 1. Similar this, if we want to see the file present in directory 2, it shows data.xl file. And after this, if we want to see the hidden files and folders present in the current directory, then we have to type ls space hyphen a. It shows the data folder which was not recently shown us. It is now showing us. uh, After that, if we want to see the current directory structure in vertical format, like in the form of list, then we will type ls hyphen 1. It shows in the vertical form. After this, if we want to see this data in reverse order, then we will write ls dash 1 space dash r. And now it is visible in the reverse order. If we want to use multiple flags, -1, like -1 -r, they are flags. If we want to use multiple flags in same command, then we also can write in the concatenated form, like ls dash 1 r. It shows the similar result as above one. Okay. If we want to see the data present in our directory with three letters, like many folders and files are present here with three letters and more than three letters. If we only want to see the three letters files and folders, then we will type ls 3 times question mark. It shows the three letter name files and folders. Okay. After that, if we want to store everything showing us by ls command, if we want to store these commands, means this directory structure or list in a file, then we will type ls greater than sign and text.txt file and hit enter. Now if we want to see the text file, which thing present in our text file, then we will type cat text.txt. It shows uh, our current directory structure is stored in our text file. Okay. Now I think it's enough for ls command. If anything you want from ls command, then you will also check dash dash help. It will shows many other flags which are important for us, like -m, -l, or -i, and many more. Okay. Thank you.